Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we are going to do our cash stuffing. So I have $683 here today. So we're going to start with my wallet, and I have some money left in groceries. I have $40 left in groceries this week. In the past, I would take out any leftover money and put it towards debt, but I'm gonna roll over my groceries because groceries has been hit and miss with whether I hit the budget or I'm over. And so I'm just gonna roll it over to make sure that I have enough for this next week. I have $50 budgeted for this week coming up for groceries, but I also sometimes go to Costco and I buy things there. And so I think I just want to roll it over. So we're grabbing $50 for groceries this week. And it also depends on like the weeks that I have Aria, I tend to spend a little bit more. And the weeks where it's just me, I kind of survive on basically nothing. I just get like the necessities. But Aria, she is a snacky girl. She loves her snacks. She loves her cereal in the morning, so we spend a lot more when she's here, which is totally fine. All right, dining out is going to get 30. I had nothing left in that, so we're doing 30 for dining out. And then gas is going to get 25, which is what it usually gets. And that is my wallet. Next, we're moving on to our high priorities. So our cell phone is going to get 10. And this has 1, 50, 70, 80, and 90. So I'm going to fill in another little cell phone here. We're doing great with this. We should hit our goal right here in 2 weeks. And that is perfect because our bill is due like in the middle of August. So we are right on track for that. Hair is going to get 10. I did have to pull money from this to cover something else. So it currently has 20. Car insurance. Oh, I need to like clean this off, but we're adding 50. We have completed one full round of this, which means we have 560. I think we have a little over that. I think we have 580. So we're adding 50 to that. I'll clean this off and I'll start the second round. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 6, 620, 630. So that feels really good as well. I can't remember what month this is due, but we should have right around 1,000 by the time it's due. And that is amazing. Okay, my business envelope here is getting quite a bit because I got my payout from Ko-fi, and I'm putting quite a bit in here because I want to make sure that I have enough to cover my expenses for next month's expenses, if that makes sense. Instead of I was kind of doing it the opposite way. I was paying for the expenses and then covering it. And I want to do it where I have the money before the expense comes up, if that makes sense. So this should be enough, hopefully, to cover next month's mailing of my Ko-fi memberships and supplies and stuff that I need, hopefully. So we have 51, 2, 4, 6, 70, 170 total in that. Mailing everything out cost me around like $80 or more, and that's just for my Ko-fi memberships. If I have like Etsy shipping and stuff like that, or if I have to buy paper, or laminating sheets, which I know I'm gonna need some of those, then it's even more. All right, taxes are gonna get 40. So again, this is like money that I got from Ko-fi that I'm just putting aside for taxes. So we have 2, 4, 50, and 5. Okay, and that is our high priority envelope. Next, we're going to go into sinking funds. For sinking funds, I decided to do like $2 for a lot of these envelopes. So clothes is just going to get 2. So now it has $3. Because I feel better about just stuffing a little bit, even if I can't stuff it a lot. Car maintenance, though, is getting a 10 because that is important. And I just got my tags renewed and got my driver's license renewed. So that has 15 now. Entertainment is getting 10. So that has 15 as well. Because we be using the entertainment fund. Aria and I do. Gifts is not getting anything. Household is getting $2. So it has 7. Self-care is getting $2. So it has 5. Wellness is getting $2. So that's all that has. Future is getting $2, so it has $4 total. And Aria, her general category, is getting 5 because I pulled stuff out of here for her back to school. So we did back to school shopping, so I grabbed all of that money, and it was plenty of money, so I'm thankful. I was so thankful to have saved up for that. We got her some new clothes for back to school, and split the cost of her supplies with her dad. So she's all ready for kindergarten, which is so fun. Okay, now we're gonna stuff my savings envelopes. So this first one, we haven't seen this binder in so long because I just have not had the money to do anything in it, but we have, oh, what is this? Y'all, I did not realize that I had money in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I guess I do have money in here. So we're gonna leave this in here. I have $138. It's my first YouTube payout, guys. It was crazy. Getting it was so complicated because I registered as my LLC, and so I had to like call the IRS and get like a confirmation letter, and then I had to verify my address, and then all these things. So I finally got my payout, so I'm so excited. It was $138. So thank you all so much for watching and liking and commenting and following me. It's so exciting. I remember like when I started my channel thinking, just that seemed like a pipe dream. You know what I mean? Like it just seemed like it's unreal. It's unreal still. Okay, so with this money that's in here already, we'll have a good amount to play with, which is so exciting because I haven't played with this binder in so long. And all of these savings go towards debt. Okay, so if you're new here, if you're watching, go ahead and click subscribe, follow my channel. I do fun savings challenges throughout the week. And on Mondays, we do our mini Mondays. So it's getting $40 this week. So we're going to put 2 20s. And then what I do is I just go through and I kind of condense as I can. And then Tuesdays, our Tiny Tuesdays is getting 35. So 20, 35. Wednesday, we're going to do 45. So 20, 40, 5. And last but not least is our Festive Friday binder. And that one we're doing 25. Yay, so exciting. I'm so glad that I had a little bit extra money for this week to set aside for savings and all that. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.